What's up, guys? If you want fresh smoothies, protein shakes, or frozen drinks without using a bulky full-size blender, a portable blender can make things much easier. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best portable blenders in 2026, from compact USB-C rechargeable models to powerful countertop-style personal blenders. We compared blending power, portability, battery life, cup capacity, ease of cleaning, included accessories, and overall value to help you find the right one for your needs. Whether you need a blender for the gym, office, travel, or everyday home use, there's an option here for you. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest price and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. VOLTRX ChillMix. Starting our list at number 5 is the VOLTRX ChillMix, a rechargeable electric shaker bottle designed for protein powders, meal replacements, and everyday drink mixing. What I like most about the shaker is the 18/8 stainless steel construction. Unlike many plastic bottles, it's designed to resist lingering odors, while the double-wall vacuum insulation helps keep your drink cold for much longer. Mixing is also very simple. Add your liquid and powder, press the button, and the built-in mixer is designed to create a smoother, clump-free drink in around 30 seconds. VOLTRX says it can handle up to 2 scoops of powder with a maximum liquid level of about 12 ounces. Another strong point is the USB-C rechargeable battery. A full charge takes around 2 hours, and the company claims up to about a month of use when mixing twice per day for 30 seconds each. I also like the practical design. The twist-on cap is leak-resistant, the bottle and lid are dishwasher-safe once the motor base is removed, and the 16-ounce size is compact enough for a gym bag or daily travel. Pros: stainless steel insulated construction, automatic 30-second mixing, USB-C rechargeable, leak-resistant design, bottle and lid are dishwasher-safe. Cons: not designed for crushing ice or blending fruit. Maximum recommended mixing liquid is about 12 ounces despite the 16-ounce bottle capacity. Overall, the VOLTRX ChillMix is the one I'd consider if you want a more premium electric shaker that combines automatic mixing, insulation, and easy USB-C charging. If you want faster, cleaner protein shake mixing without manually shaking the bottle every time, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the VOLTRX ChillMix our number 5 pick for the best electric shaker bottles of 2026. Number 4. BlendJet 2. Coming in at number 4 is the BlendJet 2, a compact cordless blender designed for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and quick blending on the go. What stands out most to me is the turbojet blending technology. Unlike a basic shaker bottle, this one is designed to handle tougher ingredients like ice, frozen fruit, and leafy greens, giving you much more flexibility for smoothies and meal replacement drinks. The built-in battery is another big advantage. It charges through USB-C, and BlendJet claims more than 15 blends from about 1 hour of charging, which makes it convenient for work, travel, or the gym. I also like the self-cleaning design. Add water and a small drop of soap, run the blender, and it can clean itself without much effort. Pulse mode is useful too, especially if you want to make thicker foods such as dips or salsa. At around 1.5 pounds, the BlendJet 2 is compact enough to carry in a bag, and its cordless design means you don't need to stay near a wall outlet while using it. Pros: can blend ice and frozen fruit. USB-C rechargeable battery. 15+ claimed blends per charge. Self-cleaning function. Pulse mode for thicker recipes. Cons: only one main speed setting. Listing shows conflicting capacity information, mentioning both 20 ounces and 16 ounces. Overall, the BlendJet 2 is the one I'd consider if you want a portable blender that can do more than just mix protein powder and water. If you want smoothies, shakes, or frozen drinks wherever you go, check the link below for the latest price and exact capacity option. That makes the BlendJet 2 our number 4 pick for the best portable blenders of 2026. Number 3. Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus. Taking the number 3 spot is the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus, a compact personal blender built for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, and quick everyday blending. What stands out most to me is the 900 peak watt motor. It gives this small blender enough power to crush ice, seeds, frozen ingredients, and whole fruits and vegetables, making it much more capable than a basic portable shaker. I also like the push-to-blend control. Instead of dealing with complicated settings, you simply press down to pulse and blend, which makes it quick and easy to use when you're preparing a drink before work, school, or the gym. Another big advantage is that you get 3 20-ounce to-go cups. You can blend directly inside the cup, attach one of the included spout lids, and take your drink with you. A storage lid is included as well if you want to save a shake for later. Cleanup is easy too. The cups, lids, and blade assembly are all listed as top rack dishwasher safe, so daily use doesn't create much extra work. Pros: powerful 900 peak watt motor. Crushes ice and frozen ingredients. 3 20-ounces to-go cups included. Simple push-to-blend operation. Dishwasher-safe cups, lids, and blade assembly. Cons: corded design, so it isn't truly portable like battery-powered blenders. Manual push-to-blend control may be less convenient than automatic programs. Overall, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus is the one I'd consider if you want a compact personal blender with much stronger blending power than most cordless models. If you regularly make smoothies or protein shakes and care more about power than cordless portability, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus our number 3 pick for the best portable blenders of 2026. Number 2. Magic Bullet Blender. Coming in at number 2 is the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact personal blender designed for smoothies, shakes, sauces, dips, and quick everyday food prep. What stands out most to me is how simple and compact it is. You just add your ingredients to the cup, twist on the blade, place it on the motor base, and start blending. It takes up much less counter space than a full-size blender, which makes it great for smaller kitchens. The 250-watt high-torque motor is designed for everyday blending, chopping, mixing, and whipping. It's not the most powerful option in this countdown, but for protein shakes, softer fruits, dips, and simple recipes, it's very convenient. I also like the 11-piece set. You get multiple cups, resealable lids, a to-go lid, lip rings, and the crossblade, giving you more flexibility for blending, storing, and taking drinks with you. Cleanup is easy too. The blade can be rinsed with soap and water, while the cups are listed as top rack dishwasher safe, which makes this a practical option for daily use. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Easy twist and blend operation. Multiple cups and lids included. Dishwasher safe cups. Great for shakes, sauces, dips, and light food prep. Cons: 250W motor is less powerful than higher-end personal blenders. Corded design limits true on-the-go use. Overall, the Magic Bullet Blender is the one I'd consider if you want a simple, affordable personal blender that's easy to use, easy to clean, and versatile enough for everyday recipes. If you want a compact blender without paying for extra power or complicated settings, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Magic Bullet Blender our number 2 pick for the best portable blenders of 2026. Number 1. Beast Blender. Taking the number 1 spot is the Beast Blender, a premium countertop blender designed for smoothies, shakes, and everyday personal blending. What stands out most to me is the 1000-watt motor. Compared with many compact personal blenders, it gives you much more power for creating smoother drinks and handling thicker smoothie ingredients. The 500 milliliters blending capacity is also a good size for personal use. It gives you enough room for a full smoothie or protein shake without taking up as much counter space as a traditional full-size blender. I also like the clean pebble gray countertop design. It has a more premium, modern look, so it can stay on your kitchen counter without feeling bulky or out of place. The blender uses a corded power source, so you don't have to worry about battery life or recharging. For someone who mainly blends at home and values performance over portability, that can actually be a big advantage. Pros: powerful 1000W motor, compact 500 ml personal capacity, modern countertop design, stainless steel or titanium blade listed. Great for smoothies and shakes. Cons: corded design is less portable than rechargeable blenders. Listing is inconsistent about speeds, mentioning multiple speeds but also listing one speed. Overall, the Beast Blender is the one I'd choose if you want a compact personal blender with much stronger power and a more premium countertop design. If smooth blending performance matters more to you than cordless portability, check the link below for the latest price and availability. That makes the Beast Blender our #1 pick for the best portable blenders of 2026.